Welcome to the Scout Guide. Big orders should increase your profit, but not create bigger discount losses. But many Shopify stores forget one important thing while running discounts. So in this video, I'll show you how to fix that problem and control huge discount using the Next Discount app. So if you're new to this channel, please subscribe, like, share, comment and press the bell icon. Let's get started. First we can go to the store. Then here in product section, we can click on any product. Here we can add the quantity. Here I add to 4 quantity. Now click on add to cart. Then go to the cart section. Here the total amount is $8,000. So suppose we give 10% as off, then it will say $800. So it is a big amount that customer get as discount. So it will a great loss for the store. So that we have to fix this problem. So we can go to the Shopify admin dashboard. Then here in app section, click on next discount. Then here click on create new discount. Now here the discount type as discount code. Here click the code with the big say 10. Here I enter the code. Then discount value as percentage. Here 10%. Then this is the capping amount. This is very important setting. That is the capping amount limit how much discount customer can receive even on very large order. So here I give 120 as capping amount. So it will stop at 120. Then discount apply for all product. Now no purchase requirement. Eligibility for all customer. Maximum discount users here limit to 1 use per customer. Then dates, we have start date to set the end date. Okay. Now this product discount can combine with, here I choose all. Okay, that's it. Now click on save. You can copy this. Now go to the cart section. Here actually when we give 10% off, it will say only $800. So now let's check how much it say. Click on apply. Okay, now it say only $120 because we give the capping amount, that is 120. So it limit the discount amount. Here we can see. So it is very great for the store. The profit will not lose much bigger. So large Shopify orders should grow your business but don't increase discount losses. So before running your next sale, make sure your discounts are properly capped. So here I am using Next Discount app for capping. So that's it. If you like this video, please subscribe, like, share, comment and press the bell icon. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.